So what are we about to do, guys?
I don't know, trying to kick it. I want to play some basketball, but it's raining, man.
I feel it. I'm trying to skate, but it's all wet and shit.
Shit, I don't know about your basketball problem, but I'm saying if you're trying to practice skate, you could go in the garage back there.
Well, we could.
You trying to do
You
that?
got that room and stuff in there. Yeah, I could practice my tricks.
Just saying.
You trying to come?
Let's get on that, man.
Let's go, let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Alright, watch this. Watch this. Watch this.
Dude, no, just have us walking towards this way.
Which one is it? Yo! Which garage is it? This one right here.
The one like 198. Right here. Garage 198.
This is not breaking and entering, is it?
Right here is legal.
Where do you want to go talk about this?
I don't know, man. Everywhere I go, just got some bad influence in it. Like, I just need somewhere that doesn't have anybody, you know what I'm saying, I can just clear my mind.
You guys think any places?
Go to my house or her house.
No, that wouldn't work because you need somewhere quiet and
He needs
stuff.
to go somewhere quiet where he can just relax and clear his mind.
I know where we can go.
Where?
The woods.
Oh yeah, get a little taste
Yeah.
of Mother Nature, clear your
Yeah.
mind.
Fresh air. You want to go?
I feel it.
So, are you about to come with us?
No, I gotta go take out my dog and do my chores.
For real?
Yeah, I'll see you later.
man. Peace out, bro.
Yeah.
Alright, well, Nathan, let's go show you where we're going to go.
What are you doing?
Good.
What are you doing?
Good.
What are you doing?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll see you later.
Yep. Bye.
So, are you for adventure, guys?
That way, we're supposed to be walking.
Why don't we go to the woods, man?
Man, because I don't feel bad, guys.
Why?
Come on. It'll be nice. Nice.
Well, maybe Mother Nature can help you.
How do you know Mother Nature's real, man?
I don't know, man. Yeah, believe me.
trust-
Well, maybe Mother Nature can help us, man.
In fact, she is.
Oh my god.
I am Mother Nature.
And
Mother Nature. Yo.
Who is this?
Mother Nature.
I think it's really Mother Nature, guys.
You look like the trouble child.
Me?
Come with me. Come with me. It's okay.
Should we
Just sit down.
should we leave him?
And we'll talk.
Oh.
Tell me your name, child.
My name's Nathan, Mother Nature.
Nathan, what are your problems that I'm sensing?
Well, I'm trying to land this trick on my skateboard, and I just can't seem to do it.
Did you know skateboards come from the nature?
Really?
Yes. I'll show you. Look.
All right.
Do you see this wood right here?
This one right here?
Feel it. This.
Man, what are we gonna do?
I don't know. I'm trying to kick it with some girls or do something, but it's raining.
Hey, bro. We should go to the skate park later when it starts raining and shit.
I just said it's
For what?
raining.
You don't know how to skate?
Look, I'm learning.
You learning?
Yeah.
Can you beat Charlie?
No.
That's what I thought. Anyways, man.
Trying to get some practice.
Why you being so mean in this video? The crowd, right? Play some
You
scat.
don't know how to skateboard, Nathan.
I make
I know.
Y'all okay, this is really necessary.
supposed to do
I'm just saying, this is necessary to hate on
This is
me.
how we get
it. Fuck Nathan. Cut.
Maybe Mother Nature can help you.
How do you know Mother Nature's real, man?
I don't know, man. Yeah, believe me.
Trust us.
In fact, she is. Stop talking.
No, why do you laugh?
Maybe I can help you.
Nathan,
Are you going?
just restart.